Imagine your patio, just grey slabs, maybe a lonely chair. Now, picture it bursting with life, lush leaves, bright flowers, bees humming. This transformation is possible no matter your space or experience. All you need is imagination and a willingness to get your hands dirty. We'll turn that plain space into a sanctuary, somewhere to grow food, attract wildlife, and relax. The journey starts now, in the heart of summer, when growth is fast and rewarding. Container gardening is accessible to everyone, patio, balcony, or windowsill. We'll show you how to choose the right plants, arrange them cleverly, and create a balanced environment. This isn't just about pots, it's about curating a living system. You'll connect with nature, understand growth cycles, and become a custodian of your own patch. The satisfaction of nurturing a seed into a flourishing plant is immense. Leave behind the bare slabs. Step into a world of color, scent, and life. Your lush garden oasis is waiting to be born. Let's begin this adventure together and watch the magic unfold. Even the smallest space can become a vibrant, productive mini ecosystem. You don't need a huge garden, just a bit of creativity. Soon, your favorite spot will be surrounded by the fruits of your labor. Let's get started. Before planting, let's find homes for your plants. Containers. No need for fancy pots. Repurpose buckets, cans, crates, or old boots. The only rule: drainage. Every container needs holes to prevent root rot. Terracotta breathes but dries quickly. Plastic holds moisture. Metal heats up. Choose what suits your space. Bigger pots mean more soil, more water, and happier roots. Watch how sunlight moves across your patio. Note sunny and shady spots. Fruiting plants like tomatoes need 6 hours of sun. Leafy greens and herbs tolerate shade. Match plants to their preferred light. Pots are movable. Shift them to catch the best light or shelter from wind. Grouping containers adds character and creates microclimates. Gather your containers and map out the light. This is your garden's foundation. Thoughtful placement sets your plants up for success. Your patio is becoming a landscape, not just a space. Let's move on to arranging your new garden. In small spaces, think vertically. Arrange pots in layers. Tall at the back, mid-sized in the middle, small and trailing at the front. Tall pots against a wall are perfect for climbers like beans or sunflowers. Mid-level pots hold bushy plants, tomatoes, peppers, basil. Front pots and edges are for trailing nasturtiums, strawberries, or thyme. This layering creates depth, abundance, and a lush look. Tall plants shade smaller ones. Dense planting keeps soil moist. You're not just arranging pots, you're designing a mini ecosystem. Vertical gardening transforms a flat patio into a dynamic oasis. Let's build your living tapestry. Now, let's create a happy plant community with companion planting. Pair plants that benefit each other, like tomatoes and basil. Basil repels pests from tomatoes and enjoys their shade. Marigolds deter whiteflies and nematodes. Plant them among your crops. Nasturtiums attract aphids away from beans and salads, and are edible too. Borage attracts bees, boosting pollination for strawberries and courgettes. These partnerships create a web of beneficial relationships. Your garden becomes healthier and more resilient, needing less intervention. Companion planting is about more than pest control. It's about balance. Every plant, insect, and bit of soil works together. This is the essence of a thriving ecosystem. Let's choose your plant partners wisely. Take companion planting further by mixing root depths in one pot. Plant a deep-rooted tomato in the center. Surround it with shallow-rooted lettuce or radishes. Herbs like mint, in its own pot, rosemary and chives deter pests and add fragrance. Try a mini three sisters, climbing bean, courgette, and nasturtium in a large pot. Beans climb, courgette shades soil, nasturtium trails and protects. This approach turns gardening into a creative puzzle. Observe, learn, and adapt. See your garden as a whole system, not just separate plants. Notice the connections between plants, insects, and soil health. Gardening becomes a collaboration with nature. Your patio thrives as a balanced, resilient ecosystem. A lush oasis buzzes with life. Invite beneficial insects in. Ladybirds, bees, and hoverflies pollinate and control pests. Build a simple bug hotel. Fill a box or pot with bamboo, pine cones, bark, and cardboard. Place it in a sunny, sheltered spot about a meter off the ground. Soon you'll see bees nesting and ladybirds hibernating. Bug hotels support biodiversity and healthy gardens. They're easy to make and great for kids to help with. Your garden becomes a haven for pollinators and predators. Every creature has a role in your mini ecosystem. Healthy plants need healthy soil, even in pots. Skip chemical fertilizers. Feed the soil with compost and worms. Try a wormery or a simple compost tube buried in a large pot for kitchen scraps. Worms and microbes break down waste, feeding your plants naturally. Make plant food with comfrey or nettle tea. Steep leaves in water, dilute and feed weekly. Focus on building soil fertility, not just feeding plants. Strong soil means resilient, pest-resistant plants. You're not just a gardener, you're a soil keeper. Watering is crucial. Pots dry out fast. Check soil moisture with your finger. Water deeply when needed. Water early morning or evening to reduce evaporation. Collect rainwater in buckets or a water butt. Plants love it. Group pots to create humidity and slow moisture loss. Mulch with gravel or compost to retain water. Use self-watering planters or saucers for extra hydration. Deep watering encourages strong roots and healthy plants. Mindful watering keeps your garden thriving and sustainable. Step back. Your patio is now a lush, vibrant oasis. Sunflowers and beans rise at the back. Tomatoes and herbs fill the middle. Flowers spill over the front. Bees buzz, hoverflies dart, and your bug hotel welcomes new residents. You've created a habitat, not just a garden. Every flower supports pollinators. Every plant is a gift to nature. The rewards are delicious. Pick fresh basil, eat sun-warmed tomatoes, harvest salads and berries. Your small space yields surprising abundance. The transformation happens quickly, just a few weeks from bare to bursting. The process is its own reward, tending, watching, and enjoying growth. You've turned grey into green, created beauty, food, and a wildlife haven. This is the magic of gardening, available to everyone. Your patio is alive, and so are you, connected to the natural world. Enjoy your oasis, you've earned it.